I guess we all need a frontier to explore. Don't necessarily have to go off into it. Just makes you feel kind of good.
There you go. You hit it.
It's there. Thousands of these people came.
He don't want to do it no more.
Tents sprung up where no man had ever even walked. If Bigfoot came here to keep Plymouth man, its seclusion wouldn't last for long. Such a rich source of information had to bring new leaves. Sure enough, an old miner's story told how Flintstones out there with a burial why there were no remains. Of mines, just to open up in the spring. Can you?
It won't be much longer, dude. You'll be